Hi guys, today's topic is number system. In number system, counting numbers are done in different bases, from base 10, base 2, and so on. In general, counting numbers is in base 10. Then we'll look at how we can do counting numbers in base 2, convert from other bases to base 10, and from base 10 to other bases. Let's go to the board. Number system. Denary system. This is base 10. Next one is base 10. Base 10. Then binary system is base 2. Let's look at how we can convert numbers in base 2 to base 10. Example 1. Express 1011.101 to a number in base 10. It can be called denary or base 10. Denary form or base 10. Don't forget. Look at the question. Solution. 1011.101. From the dot, we count 0, 1, 2, 3. From the dot to the right hand side, we count -1, -2, -3. Then we say that 1 multiplied by this base, 2 raised to power, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Power 3 plus 0 times 2 power 2 plus 1 times 2 power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. That's all this. This dot now, you put plus. 1 times 2. Here is -1, -2, -3. You have -1 plus 0 times 2 -2 plus 1 times 2 -3. Equals to 1 multiplied by 2 power 3 is 8. 2 times 2 times 2 plus 0 times 2 power 2 is 4 plus 1 times 2 power 1 is 2 plus 1 times 2 power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power minus half. Remember our negative power, how we handled it in previous topic we've done. To give you 1 all over 2, the inverse, this minus becomes 1, plus 0 times 1. 2 power 2 means 4. You write 4 here, plus 1 times 1 all over. 2 power 3 will give you 8. 1 times 8 is 8. Plus 0 times 4 is 0, plus 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 times 1 is 1, plus 1 times 1 over 2, 1 over 2, plus 0 times 1 over 4 is 0, so it's gone. Then 1 times 1 over 8 is 1 over 8. 8 plus 2 plus 1 will give us 11, plus, what is the LCM? 8 is the LCM. 2 divided 8 gives us 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 8 divided 8 is 1 times 1 is 1. So this will give us 11 plus 5 over 8. Now, we are going to divide 5 by 8. Just place in your calculator 5 divided by 8. You have 1 plus 0.6 625 to give us 11.625 in base 10. That is your answer. You have converted this base 2 to base 10. We will move further to another question, question 2. Let's look at another one. Express, question 2, express 3, okay, let's say again, 11001 base 2 to number in denary. Form. Solving this problem is very easy. You will say 11011 base 2 will give us, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, towards the left hand side. 1 multiplied by this base, raised to power what? 4. 4 plus 1 multiplied by this base, 1 times 2 power 3 plus 0 times 2 power 2 plus 1 times 2 power 1 plus 1 times 2 power 0. You will write 1 times 2 power 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 16. Plus 1 times, this is 1 is 8. Plus 0 times, this one is 4. Plus 1 times, this one is 2 because 2 power 1 is 2. Plus 1 times 2 power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1 in mathematics. We have 1 times 16 is 16. Plus this is 8. Plus this is 0. Plus this is 2. Plus 1. We have, you add up 16 plus 8 will give us 24, plus 2, 26, plus 1, 27 in base 10. This becomes your answer. You see, is that very simple? Another question. Let's see, convert, question 3, convert 3 to 004 base 6 to denary form. Denary form is base 10, number in base 10. The same method applies here, very simple. 32004 base 6. Here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As usual, you will write 3 multiplied by 6, this base, raised to the power of 4, this 4, plus 2 multiplied by this base, power 3, plus 0 multiplied by this base, power 2, plus 0 multiplied by this base, power 1, plus 4 multiplied by this base, power 0. We have 3 multiplied by 6 power 4 means 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. Let's get it. 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 will give us 1,296 plus 2 multiplied by 6 power 3 is 2, 6 times 6 times 6, 216 plus 0 times 6 times 6 36 plus 0 times 6 because this is power 1 plus 4 times 1 because anything raised to power 0 is 1. You have 3 times 1296 times 3. You have 3888 plus 2 times 216. You have 432 plus 0 times 36 is 0. 0 times 6 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. Then you add up. Add everything up. You have 4,324 in base 10. This is your answer. You have been able to convert this number in base 6 to the one in base 10, denary form. Good. Let's go. Convert, express, question 4, express 123.12 in base 5 to in denary form, that is base 10. This is very simple. To solve this, you say 123.12 base 5. From this point to this side is 0, 1, 2. From here to here is minus 1, minus 2. You will write 1 times 5, this base. Raised to the power, this is 0, 1, 2. This is minus 1, minus 2. I hope you have not forgotten. You'll be having power 2 plus 2 times 5, power 1, plus 3 times 5, power 0, plus 1 times 5, power minus 1, plus 2 times 5, power minus 2. This will give us 1 times 5 power 2 is 25, plus 5 power 1 is 5, plus 5 power 0 is 1, plus 5 power minus 1 means 1 over 5, plus 5 power minus 2 is 1 all over 5 power 2, and 5 power 2 is 25. As you can see, you have 1 times 25 is 25, 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 1 is 3, 1 times 1 over 5 is 1 over 5, 2 times 1 over 25 is 2 over 25. 25 plus 3 plus 10 is 38. 38 plus, what is the LCM? 25 is the LCM. 5 by 25 give us 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 25 by 25 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So we have 38 plus 7, 25. This will give us 38 plus, we will divide 7 by 25. 7 divided by 25. You have 0.25. 0.28. 0.28. This will give us 38.28 in base 10. This is your answer. You have converted this to a number in base 10, that's in denary form. I hope it's very clear.